Hello everyone, welcome to Secretariat Talks Season 2, Episode 6. I hope you all are ready with a cup of your hot chocolate. I am Rotractor Dhaval Gohil.
This is Rotractor Harshi Masrani.
And this is Rotractor Yukta Mahendrapal.
So today we have with us the powerful ladies of Rotrac Club of SIES Sion West.
Welcome the fabulous Secretariat, Rotractor Lekha Pujari, the Secretary, and Rotractor Raji Ramanujan and Rotractor Pooja Kumawat, the Joint Secretaries for the Rotrac Club of SIES Sion West.
So please introduce yourselves in your mother tongue and state something interesting about working with each other.
Okay. Hi guys. I'm in my mother tongue, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Inna Pudar, Rotractor Lekha Pujari. ഞാൻ സെക്രട്ടറി ഉള്ള RCSIS Inna joint secretaries Pooja Kumawat and Raji Ramanujan. The best thing, right? The best, I guess. What did you guys say? Yeah, interesting thing. Okay. Pooja Bari creative ulle, baka Raji Ramanujan is all tech savvy ullu basically. Tech savvy panda allo gottu ena malparondi. So I'll just explain you guys what did I say. Fine. Like my name is Rotractor Lekha Pujari. I am secretary of RCSIS SW. Pooja, the one thing that is interesting about Pooja is she is very creative, and interesting thing about Raji is she is tech savvy, but she is not also. It's like that. She is very okay. That is the thing about her.
Pooja?
Yeah, okay. So, મારું નામ રોટ્રાક્ટર પૂજા કુમાવત છે. હું જોઈન્ટ સેક્રેટરી છું રોટ્રાક ક્લબ ઓફ SIS कॉलेज साइन वेस्ट की. एंड सबसे चौखी बात टीम सेक में काम करने की ये है कि honestly my mother tongue is very linked to Hindi, so like you all might find it very understandable. It's not like Lekha ka mother tongue ki samjhega. So yeah, so सब the best thing इन दोनों के साथ काम करने की यही है कि they both motivate me. Oh my god. They both motivate me to like just get my work done. तो आई છે बात. That's it.
Yes, so I'll go now. I'm Raji Ramanujan, na Rotrac Club SIS College Sign West Joint Secretary, and Team Sec work panara pidicha vishayana romba fun irukku, also very reliable. That's why I like it.
Okay, so let's start with the Q&A session. The first question is for you, Lekha. What made you apply for this position of secretary?
Honestly speaking, like last year I was a joint treasurer in SA. So I always thought that next year in my TY I will apply for treasurer. Like it was but obvious that I'm going to apply for treasurer, but Ronit, like our club president, was the one who like made me think that whether I can apply for secretary or not. So he was like, you can go ahead with that. It is like you're very particular about things. You can manage this thing. He is the one who basically motivated me to apply for the position. Like, give it a try. It will be like something that you will actually like. And once I did, and once I started working for secretary, it was something that I actually enjoyed. And when he actually chose Pooja and Raji as my joint secretaries, I was very happy. I was very, very, very happy. Because these two are the persons who are like, I can be most, it's like, I can trust them with the work. If I'm not there, they can, I am 100% sure that they will do the work very properly. So that is something that motivated. Basically, Ronit was the one who actually, like, उसने डाल दिया आइडिया मेरे दिमाग में कि हाँ सेक्रेटरी बन सकती है तो
That's great. The next question is for Raji. What were your feelings when you were first appointed as the joint secretary? And how did you feel about Pooja as your partner?
Okay. So when I was going for the interview, I did joint secretary was my first preference. I did have other preferences, but I secretly just hope that I get this. And I have been very interested in this work, and I think it's quite important that somebody does it. And I just genuinely wanted this, and I was like super happy when I got this. And Pooja, we hadn't really worked iske pehle, and we met in a couple of events, and that was that. But I had no clue how she was or anything. And we got on a call after we figured that we were the joint secretaries. And like after that call, I knew that it's gonna work. So yeah, and it has. I'm not been wrong till now. So it's nice, really nice working with her, and she's very reliable. So yeah, she makes working fun.
That's really sweet. So the next question is for you, Pooja. What's that main motivating factor which keeps you as a secretariat going?
Okay. Deadlines. Just kidding. It's not exactly deadlines, but I am scared of deadlines, honestly. I panic a lot, and at times of panic, जब date near आ रही होती है, तो इन दोनों के साथ constant call चालू रहता है. And both will be, ऐसे calming me down कि हाँ चल ठीक है, कर देंगे submit, don't worry, हो जाएगा. So that is the one motivating factor कि हाँ, team से क्या निकल जाएगा. It will be all good.
That's great. So next question is for you again, Lekha. What's your favorite thing to do together as a secretariat? Like, what do you enjoy the most?
See, till now, we three have only met for 2 times. Okay, because of Raji, we have only met for 2 times, like together, because she's like half of the year she's in her native place. She was not here at all. So the one thing that we actually love is when we used to get on video calls. That is the thing that I love, because at first, like during June thing, we were daily on video calls, like for 2-3 hours, and we used to talk a lot. It was one thing that I enjoyed the most, because that was the time that was an breaker for us, because it was like for the first time we were working together. So that was something that I enjoyed a lot. But now, if you ask me, I just hope that she comes back again and we will meet together and we'll just hang out. That is something that I will love a lot.
This is very relatable for us because Harshi is not in Mumbai. She stays in Gujarat. So we have barely met.
Yeah,
Teammates.
because me and Pooja, we meet like every now and then, but she is the one who is not here at all. It's like her presence is like once in a blue moon, and she will just be like, दो बारी आई, एक installation और एक BOD meet, बस उसके अलावा आई ही नहीं.
Harshi just बोल रहा.
No comments. Raji, I understand you. I feel you. Okay, so the next question is for you, Raji. What are the challenges that you have faced till now as a secretariat?
To be honest, it was GBM ka attendance dalna TRS pe, because that was such a challenge for me. But then challenge in a sense, firstly, it was time management. It's not really been one of my strong set, but like over the couple of months, I think I've really picked up on that, and that was one thing that I had to overcome.
Okay. So the next question is for you, Pooja. What's the first thing you would like to do when you submit the last report of the year, of the Rotaract year?
Tough question. Okay. So the first thing I would do is, so we do this thing where after submitting the reports on TRS and after getting the whole work done for the month, we'll inform the president in the official group ki is month ka reports and meetings and everything have been submitted. And I try to put some glittery emojis after it ki, oh, it's done. Finally done. We are done with our monthly deadline. So I think that would be the last deadline for the year. So I'm going to put all sorts of emojis and probably get emotional, because that would be the last time TRS paise I would be putting something. And I'll slowly type down the attendance of all the meetings to get the work done, prolong it. Yeah, that would be the first thing I would do.
That's great. So now it's time for the fun part. Today we are gonna play Never Have I Ever. I hope you guys already know this game. So each one of us will say a statement, and you just have to say if you've done it or you've not done it. So I'll start. Never have I ever went out with friends or a partner and said it was a road track event or a meeting.
I have.
I
हाँ
have.
दे
I haven't.
You all haven't done it?
I have.
मतलब सबने किया है मेरे को छोड़ के.
मैंने
Never
नहीं किया
seriously, not even one time.
नहीं. Like मेरे को झूठ बोलना नहीं पड़ता सो.
Oh, that way. Okay.
It's a subtle flex. Just
Subtle flex.
Okay, so the next question. Have you ever had a crush on a member of your club?
Yes, I have.
I have never.
Any little interest, yeah.
Member or any BOD or core, कुछ भी चलेगा. Like within the entire team. I have. My God.
Little,
उसका little
little bit. जैसे वो 2 दिन की 4 दिन की चांदनी से
हाँ मेरा वैसे ही था.
हाँ.
oh really never.
Yes. 2 years back.
Yeah, I know that. We know that. Okay. Have you ever forgotten about a meeting or an event? I have.
I have.
An event, yes.
आज ही हुआ. So I'll start. Have you ever given a false reason for not attending a meeting or an event?
I have.
I have.
I have.
I have.
I guess
For an-
everyone has. It's like
हाँ.
everyone.
तो घर पे आके थोड़ी देखेंगे. They won't
Exactly.
know.
Have you ever gone for an ICY or IDY?
No.
I have not.
Never.
Not me.
Have you ever participated in Red or Ice? I have.
Participated? No.
Yeah.
Participated, but cheered
I have
a lot.
attended OC.
Cheered and attended. I have done that, but I haven't participated in it.
Okay, I'm the only one who has participated.
Okay, so this was it for the day. Thank you so much, Lekha, Pooja, and Raji to come. And it was great having you guys here. And thank you so much for watching Secretary Talk Season 2, Episode 6. See you guys in the next episode.